In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add amenities in Ownerrez. To get started, open Ownerrez and make sure you're on the main dashboard. This is where you can access all of your property management tools, and from here, adding amenities is a very quick process once you know where to look. On the left-hand side of the screen, you'll see the main navigation menu. This menu is where you'll move between different sections of your account, so for this task, we'll be working from there. Go ahead and click on Properties. This will take you to the area where all of your listings are stored. If you manage multiple properties, this section helps you choose exactly which one you want to update. It's important to select the correct property before making any changes, so the amenities are applied to the right listing. Once you're in the Properties section, select the property that you want to add an amenity to. After you open that property, you'll see more options related specifically to that listing. Next, look again to the left-hand side and click on Amenities. This opens the amenities page for that property, where you can review what is currently selected and update the list as needed. This section is especially useful for keeping your listing accurate and making sure guests can clearly see what the property offers. At this point, you can start adding amenities by clicking the check button next to each amenity you want to include. As you go through the list, simply check the ones that apply to that property. Take your time here so you don't miss anything important. Accurate amenities can help set proper guest expectations and make your listing more appealing. Continue adding the amenities you want, and as you check them, they'll be added instantly. That means you don't need to worry about a separate save step for each one in this part of the process. You can just work your way through the list until everything is marked correctly. A good tip while doing this is to think like a guest. Make sure the amenities you select match what someone will actually have access to during their stay. This helps avoid confusion and keeps your property details clear and reliable. And that's it. Once you've checked all the appropriate amenities, your property's amenity list is updated in Ownerrez. It's a simple process, but keeping this section complete can make a big difference in how your listing is presented.